Hello, this is Real Numbers, Multiplying Signed Numbers, Example 3. In Example 3, they expect us to perform this problem, come up with an answer, and we have to justify each step with some sort of property or some sort of reason. What we have here are three things multiplied together. The -4 is one thing, the x is another, and the 0.25 is the next. I'm going to do it a little differently than the book, just to show you that there isn't only one way to do this type of problem. I'm going to start out switching the -4 and the x. I can do that because of the commutative property. Multiplication is commutative. I can switch the order in which I multiply. So instead of multiplying -4 times x, I can say this is the same thing as x times -4, and then of course it's times 0.25, and the justification for that is commutative. Now right now the x and the -4 are associated, and I want to associate the -4 with the 0.25 because I can do that multiplication. So I'm going to use the associative property and say this is x times -4 times 0.25. And this is the associative law, or associative property. Now I can multiply this. -4 times 0.25, that's -1. And all I did was multiply here. And now there is a property of -1. And -1, when you multiply by -1, it just changes the sign of what you're multiplying by. So this becomes -x, and that property is mult, M-U-L-T, times -1, the multiplication property of -1.